Do squeaky door hinges drive you crazy? Do you dread the messy chore of pulling hinge pins and spraying lubricant all over your doors and trim? Well, we have the solution. Introducing Hinge Hero, the all-new patented product that stops squeaky door hinges without the mess. Hinge Hero is easy to use. Simply slide it on any standard door hinge, insert the nozzle into the guide, and spray. It's that easy. Hinge Hero stops the squeaks by directing the lubricant between the hinge seams while containing the overspray and eliminating the mess. One quick blast into Hinge Hero and the squeak is gone. No more squeaks, no more mess. Easy to use. Visit hingehero.com and order yours today.